Them don't deny one big celebrity entry into club. Oh. Hey, celebrity. This one no be even small for celebrity. Oh. And I know Rihanna be and A$AP Rocky. In fact, forget that one because me gone. I never know who be A$AP Rocky. But I said them those two people, they won't enter club. Now they deny them entry. I don't want to understand. Say the bouncer been out there gonna talk say no Rihanna. You don't know the superstar Riri. For this word, I beg, who don't know Riri? Unless they born this guy in the time where we say Riri stop to the sing. And even if as at that, I know they understand. We feel talk say, this man own, we know to know him. Because even me, I know to know him like that. And they look in face 2 times. I never still know him. I be blessed now the pussycat cap where Rihanna wear. Now make this man not to know these people. I beg, making her watch the embarrassment where they give them these 2 people.
I'm sorry, guys.
No, give me my backpack. I'm going back in. I don't know who you are.
It's on the beach. So check out that ankle, son. Check out that ankle, son. My son Rocky said I'm in leather.
Yo, my kid. I never had a beach.
Yo, go heavy as fuck, son. You don't got none of your business cards on you, boys? Just gonna have to see them one time. Cash that shit. Bro, you know who that is? You a child.
Hey, see embarrassment. I beg how security not know than these 2 people. Are they surprised? But Rihanna, you say for my hand. You the enter club. You can't wear Mary and Maka like say they go church crusade. This one not be church party if they go. You can't even wear cap put on top. If say you even dress like hot, maybe this guy go notice. I can't be surprised. People they notice this girl. So when I sure say no be say this bouncer just want for them these people hand. Because people they notice say na Rihanna believes, na this A$AP Rocky and they snap with them. And these 2 people, as I gather my army boy, I hear say these 2 people just start to the lovey. They just start to the wale they enter their self recently. And say this guy come outside, come talk say, in fact, since when he start to the follow Rihanna, in life don't change. Hey, see love. See where Rihanna love sweet rich. Thank God say no be even Chris Brown because that one we don't use beat kill him. But thank God say this one in India attest to him say Rihanna love sweet. Say in fact he no even want be bachelor again. It means say this one they try give us some heads up. Oh. Say marriage bell don't they ring for Rihanna be that. Because this kind of way this one talk na sign, na symbol, na so I real. But this kind of way they can't disgrace them for this hotel. My people, if say na for Nigeria. If say this one even happen to somebody like Davido Abi Shatta Wale, forget. Area don't scatter everywhere, don't bust. Davido fans go carry bottle. They don't break everywhere, scatter everywhere. But as they say, Oyinbo people now they see, courtesy. They don't know you. No partiality. They don't even reason now. If so that Nigeria go on the here, do you know who I am? Do you know who my father is? Nigeria all those kind of English go start to come outside. But this one, she no even reason am say who she be. Fine, I know say she go try clear herself. Say okay, now me we you. But I just say now your dressing now even confuse this person. Because you say you dress well, I be you dress fine. Say the Mary Amaka gown the way this woman wear. Me go I no go. If say no be say I know really from back and front. I no go no say na she. Me go surprise. Who be this woman? But I beg this kind of way they do. I like them. But they need a form say because person a celebrity. They will come and give a special treatment. You will become one. They will treat you anyhow. And I say some people they visit their own thing. But as she conclude and say last they can't allow these people enter and there they go chill, jubilate, enjoy themselves. I hope say these 2 people relationship it go really work. Because no one here say tomorrow now, hey, one eye don't blind. I be one eye don't get bossa for there. We want here say since they go on with and as this man don't talk and say to be bachelor no dey in mind. I hope say it go come to pass. I hope say things go well as you talk and like this. My people, I hear this one. I want to make a bring and come on aside, making ourselves using our ear. Here waiting they happen inside New York. Anything in a feel, make not forget to write them inside the comment section. Make not forget to like and also share this video so that everybody go self to see what we dey yarn about. I go see you now for our next video.